Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you the quickest way to find your DU mobile number in 2026. So the absolute fastest method in 2026 is by using a USSD code. For that you need to open your phone's dial pad. Over here you need to dial *116# and then you need to simply press this call button. So your mobile number will pop up instantly on your screen this way. It is absolutely free service and it doesn't require any of the data or talk time balance. Now, if the first code doesn't work, you can just simply try dialing *135# and this is the main DU service menu. Once the menu appears to you, look for the option labeled as my account or my number. Then simply follow the prompts and you will see your number. Now, for those who prefer a text-based number, you can use the SMS shortcut. For that you need to simply open your messages application and then you need to send the word number to the shortcode 1355. DU will reply almost immediately with an automated message containing your active mobile number. Now you can also open your DU mobile application and log into your account. When you tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, on the top you are going to see your mobile number. So you can also try this particular method. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.